In this video, you will learn how to leverage Log360, the unified SIEM solution from ManageEngine to detect instances of abnormal successful VPN logons. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a technology that helps establish a secure connection between your device and a network. It masks your IP address, location, endpoint devices, and web activity and ensures privacy while connecting to the internet over unsecured public networks. At the organizational level, a VPN enables remote users establish a secure encrypted connection to the organization's network regardless of the type of network connection. It prevents the intrusion of third parties such as the internet service provider and ensures the secure transmission of sensitive business data. Now let's explore how VPN works. The VPN architecture consists of two primary components, the VPN client and the VPN server. When a user attempts to access a remote network, the request is sent to the internet service provider via the VPN client. The VPN client encrypts the data, ensuring that the ISP cannot access it. From there, the data is routed to the VPN server, which decrypts it and forwards it to the destination server. The VPN server functions as a proxy server, meaning that when other third parties attempt to track the source of the request, they will trace it to the VPN server rather than the user's original IP address. In this way, the VPN secures data transmission, masks your identity, and ensures privacy. While attackers cannot directly trap web activities conducted via a VPN, compromising a VPN account can provide them with initial access to the network, allowing them to execute other types of cyber attacks. Some of the common techniques used by attackers to compromise VPN accounts are: number 1, phishing. In phishing attacks, attackers send deceptive emails to trick users into disclosing their VPN credentials. Number 2, brute force attacks. Here, attackers, predominantly insiders, attempt to log on to another user's account by using random passwords in a trial and error method. Number 3, exploitation of VPN protocols. Attackers may exploit weaknesses in VPN protocols such as point-to-point tunneling protocol, layer 2 tunneling protocol, and OpenVPN to crack encryption and compromise the account. Number 4, misconfigured VPN settings. Attackers take advantage of security gaps in VPN configurations such as default passwords or weak encryption settings to gain access to VPN accounts. Number 5, credential stuffing. Attackers use stolen credentials from other data breaches like usernames and passwords to gain unauthorized access to VPN accounts. Therefore, it is imperative to monitor abnormal VPN logons as they may indicate an impending attack such as a ransomware attack, supply chain attack, or DDoS attack. Now let's see how a unified SIEM solution like Log360 can help you detect such abnormal VPN logons. Log360 provides out-of-the-box reports to detect abnormal successful VPN logons. You can find this under the Reports tab of Event Log Analyzer or the SIEM module of Log360. By clicking on Network Devices, you can view the list of vendors supported by Log360. Select the VPN device for which you need the logon report. Let's select Cisco here. You can find the VPN logon reports category on the left pane, under which you will find various types of VPN reports such as VPN logons, failed VPN logons, VPN lockouts, VPN unlocks, and more. However, the number of reports listed under this category may vary depending on the vendor you choose. Select VPN logon report. This report lists all successful logons to the VPN and provides details such as the time, the device IP, the remote device, and the user involved. You can identify abnormal VPN logons by detecting and analyzing any unusual frequency of logons by a user or remote device. To do this, select Top VPN logons based on user's report. Here you can view the top users who have logged in multiple times. Similarly, select the top VPN logons based on remote device report. Here you can see the remote device IPs and the number of times a user has logged in using the same IP. Log360 also comes with SOAR capabilities. This means that if you associate a response workflow with an alert profile, Log360 will be able to carry out certain automated actions to prevent abnormal VPN logons, such as logging off and disabling a user or disabling a computer. However, to prevent future attacks, here are some steps you can take. Implement MFA for VPN accounts. Identify gaps or weaknesses by reviewing and updating your security policies. Adhere to Zero Trust Network Access policies and grant access based on adaptive authentication. And lastly, invest in employee training and user education to prevent future attacks. If you have any questions or would like to get a personalized demo, please send an email to log360-support@manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to see Log360 in action, visit this link and download our product. You can also get a free 30-day trial of Log360 and evaluate how it satisfies your requirements.